The best impersonator, the mimic octopus. Do you know an undiscovered superstar? A natural talent who can mimic others on demand? For years, divers in the murky waters, or yucky waters, kind of dark and sandy waters off Indonesia, snapped photos of an octopus, an 8-armed invertebrate, which means they had no backbone, that seemed to impersonate or mimic and copy a cast of marine animals through mimicry, or looking like another species. When a group of scientists got hold of the images, they hightailed it to Indonesia last year to identify the extraordinary 60 centimeter or 24-inch, that's 2 rulers long, copycat, which they dubbed the mimic octopus. Many animals mimic other creatures to turn off predators. The harmless milk snake, for example, resembles the poisonous coral snake with its bright red, yellow, and black bands. But this octopus is the only animal we found so far that can mimic more than one animal, says biologist Tom Tregenza at the University of Leeds. The octopus can ape at least 3 critters: the flatfish, lionfish, and sea snake, Tregenza's team claims. To mimic the flatfish, the lumpy octopus speeds up, yanks in all 8 arms, alters or changes shape and color, and ripples its body into a wave. Why imitate or copy a slew of creatures? One clue. While many octopuses live and hide in reefs or rocks, the mimic octopus slinks along seafloor mud in plain sight. There's nowhere to hide, Tregenza says. Besides, adds team scientist Roger Hanlon, an octopus is a very soft, juicy hunk of protein that everything else out there wants to eat. Flatfish are far more populous and less likely to attract attention. That means there are much more flatfish in the sea, and they don't really attract attention of predators. So how does this superstar perform its tricks? It features a flexible body that twists into multiple forms, and skin cells called chromatophores, which contain various colored pigments. Muscles around each chromatophore can constrict or expand the cell. When constricted, skin color lightens. When expanded or made bigger, the color darkens. The octopus alters color patterns by constricting and expanding thousands of chromatophores at the same time. Next stop, Warner Brothers? Let's go back up and read what this caption says of our mimic octopus. So here's the prize fact. A mimic octopus contorts or changes its body and dresses in bright stripes to impersonate the poisonous lionfish. Oh, this is the poisonous lionfish. And down here it says prize fact. It looks like the quick change artist can mimic an exotic blanny species with bulging eye sockets and tentacles. Oh wow, look at it, can copy this creature. Next time we are going to be reading about the opossum.